Imagine the bright lights of Las Vegas, a federal courtroom, and the unmistakable presence of Perez Hilton. Yes, Mario Lavandeira himself, taking on none other than Hollywood's own Blake Lively. Drama? Absolutely. Stakes? Sky high. Tension is sizzling between celebrity worlds as Perez Hilton asks a federal judge in Las Vegas to shield him from turning over a trove of personal materials, all thanks to a subpoena fired off by Blake Lively's legal team. The twist? Perez is citing Nevada's shield law, and he's not backing down. This all explodes out of a fierce legal feud between Lively and Justin Baldoni, with Wayfarer Studios tangled in the center. After Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds confronted Baldoni about what they called repeated sexual harassment and other disturbing behavior during the making of It Ends With Us, Lively is now accusing Baldoni and his team of launching a smear campaign to trash her reputation. And Perez Hilton? He's one of several outspoken critics now caught in the legal crossfire. Hilton shared his subpoena with 8 News Now investigators, revealing demands for phone records, social media messages, and emails. He's adamant he was never paid, promised favors, or even nudged to speak against Lively. In his own words, "All of my coverage has truly been organic." Fighting to keep his sources protected and avoid sky-high legal bills, Perez represented himself before Judge Richard Boulware. Meanwhile, Lively's team argued that this should all be handled in New York, where the main legal battle is underway. But Judge Boulware seemed to lean heavily on Nevada's powerful shield law, hinting it may keep the case right here in Vegas. Expect a ruling soon. Boulware promised a decision by next week. And the Baldoni-Lively trial, that's set for March 2026. So, what's your take on this electrifying courtroom showdown? Should Perez be forced to spill his secrets, or does shield law win the day? Subscribe for the latest twists, and sound off below. What celebrity drama should we dive into next? Stay tuned. Vegas isn't done serving up surprises.